Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. So what is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the subscribe button to Pi News World. And also click like, comment, and share. Come in the comment section and write, PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh, wow, Pioneer. Did you know you are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency? Because of PiNetwork, as of today, you are a millionaire. Your time is money. PiNetwork is causing a stir in the crypto world with its massive user base of over 60 million users. The excitement is palpable, and rumors are swirling that Pi could soon be listed on BINANCE, one of the largest exchanges in the world. So what would happen if PiNetwork gets that coveted BINANCE listing? Let's break it down. Why a BINANCE listing could be a game changer for Pi. First, a BINANCE listing equals an adoption explosion. Imagine millions of potential Pi users suddenly able to trade it on BINANCE. This kind of exposure would drive massive adoption, not just from investors but also from everyday users. It could potentially skyrocket Pi's price as demand spikes. Next, liquidity boost and trading volume. Listing on BINANCE would inject a ton of liquidity into Pi's market, making it more accessible for buyers and sellers alike. The surge in trading volume could push Pi to new heights. Think huge price movements and increased market interest. And third, more exchange listings to follow. If Pi lands on BINANCE, other exchanges are likely to follow. This domino effect could further solidify Pi's position in the crypto space and attract even more investors looking for the next big thing. What could the price look like after a BINANCE listing? In the short term, upon listing, we could see an immediate spike in Pi's price due to the surge in interest. This could push Pi's price into the 5 to 10 range in the short term. In the midterm, once established, as Pi becomes more integrated within the market, we could see its value grow to 20 to 50 as more users join the ecosystem and more exchanges list Pi. And in the long term, with expanded utility, if Pi continues to build partnerships, expand its utility, and develop new use cases, it's possible for Pi to hit 100 or more in the long run. It all depends on how effectively the Pi ecosystem develops. Things to watch out for official announcements. Listing is on the way will be the official announcements from both Pi core team and BINANCE. Keep your eyes peeled for updates, ecosystem growth and partnerships. Pi's growth isn't just about trading, it's about utility. Look out for any new partnerships or developments that expand Pi's use cases. The more Pi is integrated into real-world applications, the more its value could rise. Price action and trading volume. Pay close attention to Pi's price action and trading volume as news hits. High volume and price surges are usually indicators that something major is happening. What's your take on Pi's future? Do you think BINANCE will step up and list PiNetwork? What impact do you think it will have on the Pi price? Let us know your thoughts below. Summary: PiNetwork is on the verge of something big. With 60 million users already on board, a BINANCE listing could lead to a major surge in price and adoption. While we can't predict the exact numbers, the future looks bright for Pi if things keep progressing. Keep an eye on the official announcements and watch the price action carefully. You don't want to miss this. CoinMarketCap is finally updating PiCoin's market cap. Currently, PiCoin holds a global crypto ranking of 11, alhamdulillah. We are optimistic about a partnership announcement and the public launch of Pi Utility Web 3 apps on Pi Day, March 14th. As soon as PiNetwork makes its utility apps public, a significant amount of Pi coins will be withdrawn from exchanges for retail buying and selling, traditional finance. Additionally, completing KYB for major exchanges will become essential for PiCoin's listing. So instead of worrying, just hold your Pi. Today's Pi is tomorrow's dream. Between March 1st and March 14th, nearly 15 million Pi coins are entering the market. These are the unlocked balances of Pi miners like you and me, which is why the price is experiencing some dips. However, the good news is that between March 14th and April 5th, no major figures will be unlocked. Therefore, a better price might be expected during this period, inshallah.